Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide username on Telegram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device. It can be Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter, the steps are the same. And then you need to open your profile, and then in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on the edit button. Here it is. And then at the bottom of your screen you need to find username option right up here, and then you will see this interface. And after that, if you want to hide your username, all you need to do is to click on the cross icon next to your username on the right side of your screen, and then at the top right corner click on the done button. So after that, your username will be hidden, so it will be actually deleted and nobody will be able to find you with username. And that's all, and that's how to hide username on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.